Bonjour! I've put this video together for you for some speaking practice so that you can pretend that you're actually sitting in front of me while we do our speaking questions. So there are 4 questions in this series. They're easy questions. They're questions that we've done last year together and that you shouldn't have too much trouble answering them. What I want you to do though is start thinking of what a Band 6 response would look like with these questions. Once you've finished listening to the question, pause the video, give your response, and then press play again because I'll be asking the questions quite quickly. Okay, your first question is décris ta famille. Décris ta famille. Okay, question 2. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait le week-end dernier? Qu'est-ce que tu as fait le week-end dernier? Question 3. Est-ce que tu t'entends bien avec tes parents? Est-ce que tu t'entends bien avec tes parents? And question 4 is, qu'est-ce que tu aimes comme loisir? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes comme loisir? That's the end of your speaking questions. If you would like to record your questions and your answers, then you can submit those to me through Canvas too.